I'm in a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. Today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth through vehicle interface. So for this system, we're going to have to use your talk features. So we'll have to verbally add. So we can access these by clicking these. So to start the commands.
There are no phones connected to the vehicle. To use this system, a compatible Bluetooth phone must be connected. Please refer to your phone's user manual before trying to connect your phone. Would you like to connect a phone now? After the beep, say add phone or no.
Add phone.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone.
So from
Using
here,
your handset, look for a
once your
Bluetooth
on,
device called My Car.
go to your pairing
When
menu.
requested by the handset, enter the pin 1, 2, 3, 4. For further instructions, refer to your phone's user manual.
So we're looking for My Car, as it said, and then we're going to type that 1, 2, 3, 4 pin. So My Car popped up. Sometimes this takes a few tries. You might have to restart your phone, restart the car a few times, but alright, so we've got
phone
that.
Connected. Please say a name for the phone.
Clay's phone. Clay's phone.
Is this correct? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Clay's phone.
Saved.
Alright, so now you should be able to take phone calls somewhat. Sometimes you can listen to music. Newer models you might be able to sync maps and things as well. If you're having issues trying to figure out if your phone Bluetooth works for music, I would first check like your aux buttons. Sometimes those will take you. So just keep hitting aux. And then a lot of times under aux, it might pop up a Bluetooth option. I just click past it again. So in here you might be able to. Make sure you have it playing on your device while you're checking. And then, but otherwise, I hope this was helpful. And I feel like I made it somewhat clear. Sometimes Bluetooth on these don't allow music. So this one I'm not 100% sure. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.